Welcome to Activity 33, representing subtraction. In this activity, we will be representing one two-part bond of 10 using bond blocks in a part-part whole diagram, numbers in a written subtraction equation, drawn pictures, and words in a story. You will need to choose one two-part bond of 10. I'm going to choose the bond of 3 and 7 is equal to 10. So the parts of 3 and 7 bond together to be equal to the whole of 10. When you place your blocks, remember to place the whole on the top row and the parts on the row underneath. Moving to the subtraction equation. When we write a subtraction equation, we write whole subtract part equals part. 10 subtract 3 equals 7. I will write this. 10 subtract 3 equals 7. When it comes to drawing the pictures, we're focusing on the maths, not the art side of the drawing. My drawing needs to represent the part of 3, the part of 7, and the whole of 10. My drawing is going to be about bowling. And when you go to 10-pin bowling, the pins, this would be a bird's eye view, are arranged like this, and there are 10 of them. When I was bowling, I knocked down 3 pins. This left 7 pins still standing. And I can see 7 without counting because I can see the 4 and the 3, and I know 4 and 3 is also 7. So I have my part of 3, the pins are knocked over, the part of 7, the pins that are still standing, and the whole of 10 is all of the pins. I'm going to write this now. When I went 10-pin bowling, when I went 10-pin bowling, that's the whole of 10, I knocked down 3 pins. I knocked down 3 pins. This left 7 pins. This left 7 pins still standing. So to check, I have each number represented. I went 10-pin bowling, so I've got the 10 pins, that's the whole. I knocked down the 3 pins, that's my part of 3. And this left 7 pins, my part of 7, still standing. Now it's your turn.